Hello everybody, welcome to another video. Today I'm at the House of Marbles, which is just outside Bovey Tracey. It's open all year round and based on a historic site of pottery making. The main business is to produce quality vintage and traditional toys and games. It's got a great museum of all the marble making and a really great cafe as well. Definitely well worth a visit. We start off with a model of how the site used to look, with some examples of some of the pottery that was made here. It's quite interesting really if this is your thing, but definitely worth a trip out. And of course it's based in the historic buildings as well, so you can really feel what happened here, and some of the stuff they made truly fabulous. I'll just be quiet for a minute so you can see it. And then we look out to the shop, which is really quite packed, busy, great place for gifts, Christmas stuff, birthday stuff, whatever. More examples of the pottery, what they got involved with. And here I think coming up is my favourite bit. And this is how they used to make marbles. Machine come all the way from America. Quite amazing to look at that. And again, more history. But now we're going to get on to perhaps my favourite part of the shop, and I'll just let this play so you can watch it yourself.